Good morning from the Thoughtful Gardener. I am working on what is called the Chelsea Chop. The Chelsea Chop is something that's related to Chelsea Gardens, which is a big garden show over in the UK. And essentially what it's talking about is chopping your perennials that have a tendency to flop by half. So you can see how tall this has already gotten. This is right at the beginning of June, and we want to take this aster down by half. There are other plants that will benefit from this as well. If you look and see over here, you can already see how tall the bone set is, as well as the bee balm. So we're going to go ahead and take the bone set down by half. This technique works really well for things that bloom in the fall. So the rule for you to remember when to do this is typically Memorial Day or soon thereafter, as I'm doing it a little bit late today. And then do again on a third by July 4th. And that will keep your perennials from flopping. Garden thoughtfully.